All right, moving on to the next homework assignment where we had to rewrite things in order to apply the power rule. The next most missed question was this one, and it was g of x equals the third root of x to the fourth, and it wanted you to find g prime of x. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rewrite this in a little bit better form using our exponent rules. So we know that a third root of the fourth power is the same as an x to the 4/3. All right, so we got x to the 4/3. Now I'm going to apply the power rule. So g prime of x equals 4/3 x to the 1/3. All right, and again, we're going to have to be a little careful with Kahn's request as far as setup. We're definitely going to have to put that 4 in parentheses to make it a fraction. Most likely, occasionally it'll give you a fraction tool to enter, and then x, and then we're probably going to have to do a raised to in parentheses, 1 divided by 3. All right, the important thing is make sure that you have parentheses around those fractions if it's having you enter it in kind of more of a standard way. Obviously, mathematically, this is a great answer if we're in writing, and then another great answer if we're in writing would be 4/3 cubed root of x. All right, mathematically equivalent, all three of these. It really just depends on the tools that Kahn gives you, what you enter. From a College Board standpoint, all three would be totally okay.